Hello and welcome to Mobile Made. This channel is all about proving one thing: you don't need a laptop to start coding. I will be teaching step by step how to write your first programs in Python right on your smartphone using app like Pydroid. As we grow, we dive deeper into building websites with Python and Django, all on mobile. We will also learn React and modern website development, and even combine React with Django APIs to create powerful full stack projects. Every tutorial will be practical, simple, and fun, because I want you to see that coding is possible with just the phone in your hand. So if you have ever thought you cannot start programming without a laptop, stick around. Together we are going to build amazing projects, learn exciting tools, and explore how tech can be made easier. Welcome once again to Mobile Made, where coding meets creativity on your smartphone. Support the channel by liking this video, subscribe to join the Mobile Made community, and leave a comment. Thank you so much.